Hello and welcome to Makula. Today we're looking at how technicians can use the mobile app to complete work orders, chat with customers, and chat internally with the team. To complete a work order, navigate to the work order that you're working on. We're assuming there are some service reports that need to be filled out. Go in and attach the service report. Let's say it's a safety check. Once you've attached it, you can go in and start completing it. Say we take an image, upload these, fill out all other mandatory fields in this procedure. And once the signatures are added, you can sign. Here, say the supervisor from the site is also filling it out or signing it on the same day. And once this is done, simply finalize the procedure. Once you're done with this, you'll also likely track some time on the work order. And for that, we'll just start tracking time. We've got all this time being tracked. Let's say I wanted to track time on the way to the customer site, on the way back from the customer back to my office, and then also separately while I was doing the work. I could simply do this, and let's say this was travel time to the customer. The time's already filled out. I will tag this with traveling, billable, submit. Let's say this was 11:54. Submit. And then we take a look at certain parts, or let's say we switched out parts while we were working on this. Let's say it was 2 actuators. And of course, these are right now parts that are being fetched from the machine that's on this work order. So we've tracked time, we've added parts, we've completed the procedure. We can go to the detailed section, see if there's anything we need to look at over here, go back to the overview, perhaps change the status to, let's say we're done with all the work and now we're just waiting input from the customer. Go down to the work order custom fields. Let's add a couple of things here. Machine status, let's say, is now operational. PO number, let's say from the customer, was PO123. We updated a couple of work order custom fields. Go down to the company custom fields, asset custom fields. If there's anything that you need to change here, let's say the machine is now operational, so we say it's operational. And let's say we also did a new software update on the machine. When this is done, you update it, and yeah, now you can either close the work order, though this is something most likely the back office or your service managers will do. But as an engineer, we're now pretty much done. That's it for how you complete and manage work orders on the mobile app. If there's anything else you're looking for help on, check out our other videos. Thank you. While you're on the work order, you can also use this message button at the bottom to send a message internally to your team. Let's say I wanted to send something to Simon. Simon, the work is done at the customer's site. We can invoice them now, perhaps. And maybe also a message to the customer. MK signed off on the work. We are now wrapping up and heading back. So this is how you can send external messages to your customer portal users, also internal comments or messages to your internal users.